your guide wants to have group photo first, okay? So you can go right there to take a photo. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Go.
All the artworks here are inspired by Hindi po, yung elevator po. So, gusto niyo po? Okay.
Wait lang. Wait ka lang. Balik ka dito.
Okay, let's proceed over here. Dito po, let's proceed over here. Please mind your steps. Okay, for English, this way everyone, right here, please.
Wait lang.
Right here, let's proceed over here. This way everyone. So, meron po kami brochure dito, Filipino, but meron din po English, so you can get one out, okay? English or Filipino. Okay, and once you get your response, let's proceed over
Look
there.
at the dragon.
Right?
Wood carving lang yan, Dre.
Not like machines. Not like using
Let's proceed over
machines.
here.
Do they use machine
Please go
also?
inside, everyone.
Do they also
Sige,
use
pwede po kayo mauna
machines?
sa loob.
Pwede.
Pwede po kayo mag-pictures and magtingin-tingin sa loob while waiting for the others. Please go inside. Okay, right there, please go inside. Okay,
Right.
let's proceed over here. Please go inside, everyone. You can go first. Please go inside. Okay, this way, everyone. Please go inside.
Dre, dito ka.
What religion we believe in, we're all the same. And we're all compounded with 4 elements. And that is the element of earth, water.
Here you go.
Because if you can, I am telling you, so not and that. So all of the parents here right now.
Вы сможете изучить ваши техники, деревянных деталей.
Go. Sige, lakad ka. Tapos punta ka dito.
Hindi, dapat pare-pareho siya.
3, go. Okay, go.
Video
Oh,
5 seconds.
inumin namin kambok. Okay. Ayan na.
Try this.
Dito lang ako nakatikim. Sa Pilipinas di ako makatikim-tikim. Sarap. So ano, kakagatin ko lang to.
Ewan ko.
Game na ba? Naka-video na?
Babi na butas.
And look at them with your slow mouth.
Yak ka din.
Kailangan natin puputokin muna. Ay!
I told you, you need to bite it or it will pop. I told you. I told you you
Hawak ka mabuti ha. Wait lang dito. Hey. Sige, hawak ka lang, hawak ka lang. Hey. Smile. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Joy, pa-picture. Oh.
น้องขอหัวให้พรได้ไหมนี่กำลังน้องให้พร้อมเตือนนะครับแข่งทอดให้น้องขอหัวให้พรให้น้องขอหัวให้พรเดี๋ยวผมมาเราให้พรยิ่งเฉยกูเราให้พรสุดยอดที่พักที่ไหนเนี่ยสายเลย
Hello, bro.
Hi, I'm Michael,
And I'm hungry.
and we are here in Bangkok, Thailand.
Thailand. And I can read these Pokemon sheds.
So we're in Icon Siam, and we bought some Pokemon cards.
You can understand the language at all. Could someone help us here?
We paid 223 baht for 3 packs. So Obsidian Plain, 5 cards per pack. This is 49. How much is this one? 49 pesos, 49 baht each, and this one 125 baht. So it's ano naman daw, it's original, but we'll see. So okay, pack battle tayo. Ano sa'yo dito? Kaya mo? Okay, ako na open. So let's see, open. First pack kay Andre. Let's see what we got.
Nakukuha.
Kahirap nito. Wait lang.
This is the same, right?
No, this is different.
No, the card pack.
Yeah, this is different kasi 5 lang to.
But the pack is same. But the design is different.
Design is the same. Language different. Hirap. Oh,
Ooh.
gulay.
Mimi, please.
Wait lang.
Me destroy it.
No. I'm not trying to destroy it.
I'm destroying the pack, not the card itself.
Oh, this is very different from English packs. It's like Japanese pack. Okay.
Hey, no! I want to do it.
Oo nga. Wait lang. Oh. Pakita mo sa akin. Pakita mo sa akin na. Lapit mo pa, hindi kita eh. Ayan, sige. Ako mo.
Let's see what
Hindi makita.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, yun lang. Walang rare. So, 5 packs siya. Wait lang. Anong nangyari doon? So, common. 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 Uncommon. Uncommon. There's no rare. Oh.
Oh, this is how you open it.
Hirahan mo na akin to eh. Okay. Oh, this is my pack ah. Let's see. Common.
Okay.
Common. Common. Uncommon. Oh, I got a reverse halo and uncommon. So I got a rare one. So I won this battle. Yay!
How do you open this? Already sure that I can.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Careful lang.
What is different?
5 cards lang in a pack. This is different. Oh, up. Ako magana. Yeah.
Let me just get it.
Yeah, wait lang.
No, I want to get it. Please.
So, ito. Tingnan natin ano nangyari. Oh! Ano to? Teka, peke ba to? What's this? Peke kaya ito?
Daddy, please. I want to. Please.
Nga doon nakuha na.
That is a rare card. Just please, I want to get. Please, I want to touch this card. Yo,
Hey.
EX.
1, 2, 3. Oh, ba't dalawa to? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
EX.
10,
I don't know here.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hey, this is a deck. This is a deck. EX. This is a deck. A random deck of cards. So it's original. But I don't know what mechanics of the game is this one.
We only have this one.
Yeah. But this is a deck. It's a deck. It's basically a deck.
It's only like this. The only good card you only have is EX.
You should get the other one. Ano?
Yeah, let me just touch this one, please.
Yeah, I think it's original.
If it's not, what would you do?
So again, this is a random deck. I think this is a deck already. And this one. All right. Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Bye.